Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Iris rolling storage cart. This is actually the second one that I bought because I like the first one so much. If you want to use it as a rolling storage cart, they provide you these wheels and you simply just push them into the bottom of the cart and you're good to go. They don't require anything special. They have these holes, you simply just push them in and you're good to go. One of the things that I like about this is it has a drawer stop feature. Some of these carts don't, and you can pull it out, it's heavy, all your stuff falls. But there you go, love that feature. Another feature that I like is the top has an organizer tray. This is a 4-drawer model. They make different models with more drawers, but as far as a real world measurement, this is 24.5 inches tall. It is 12 inches wide, and up at the top it is 14 inches deep. My wife asked me to order a second one for her because she's using it for her art supplies. Here's the one she's using, and now she's getting ready to fill this one up with art supplies as well.